Good morning, YouTube. Today's project that we're going to be working on is replacing this controller that works with the Sony radio, the single DIN Sonys, with a Rockford Fosgate controller. This is one of the only controllers I found that fits the spot on these boats. I see them here a lot, the Sony controller, and it's a very narrow space. So we can't fit the actual radio, the PMX2, so we mounted that on the other side, and then we're just going to mount this controller, the PMX-0R or 10, right there. The only problem is it needs a 2-inch hole cut, and since there was already a hole there, our drill bit and our arbor isn't gonna help us out. So what I'm gonna do, I drilled a 2-inch piece, a 2-inch hole out of this piece of plywood. I'm gonna screw it down, and that'll help guide me through the hole. That way I don't miss and it slides over, and then I scratch it, and then I gotta gel coat this entire piece. So I want to make sure that we keep from doing errors like that can cost us in the future. Okay, now with the plywood screwed into place, that'll give us something to guide the hole saw in to keep it straight. Here's another tip that might help you too. When you peel off the tape, always peel towards the hole that you cut. Don't start from here and pull back, because that could more likely chip. This is a much safer direction to go. Now with the hole cut, all we have to do is put our PMX-0R in, and on the back side we're gonna put the U bracket, and then tighten the two 7mm nuts, and we're done. And here's what that Rockford controller looks like mounted in place. There's the front side, and then right on the back, that's the bracket for it right there.